You're about to unlock Samsung Notes on any Android, even if you don't own a Samsung device. We're talking about complete note-taking, drawing, sticky notes, and almost full compatibility. Let's make it happen in the next few minutes. By the way, a disclaimer, you gotta try out a lot of APKs, which are downloadable app files, and it might not be supported for your device. But a lot of them are, and you should try for yourself if Samsung Notes is working on your device. So today, let's go and check which Android version you are right now. Then we're going to download the correct Samsung Notes APK and then install its safety without any issues. In the description, I've provided two links, one to a website called Pling and one to a website called APK Mirror. We will first start with Pling. It has the highest probability to make sure Samsung Notes will run on your device. To check your Android version, go to the settings and scroll all the way down. Then tap on About Phone, and you might need to go to software information, but you might see your Android version. Remember this when downloading something from these websites. Do note we need to test which will work to ensure that the APK you're installing will function. This is the website of Pling. On the right, let's go and click on download. Right here we have 3 APKs. We have to try each one of these. Let's click on one of them, the top one. We're going to need to wait 5 seconds. Here, click on download. Once this is downloaded, you gotta open it in your Chrome downloads folder, and it might ask you to get permissions for Chrome, just like this. Make sure to go to settings, enable it, and then it might ask you to install it. Let's see if we can install it, and if it says app can't install, we gotta try out the next one. So let's go back to the website and then try the second one. Also, if you scroll down here, you will see files, and then we have the Android version right here. Do you have Android 8 Plus, which means above it? That means you gotta try it. This is the reason we want to try the newest one first, which is the top one. It might be stable, it might be working. Test out each of these 3, which have the highest probability to make it work. Let's move on to the second website. This website is called APK Mirror. Here we can also try out a lot of APKs, and they have a lot of them. Which means if this Pling site didn't work for you, let's go and try out Samsung Notes on APK Mirror. When you're on this website, go to all versions right here, and it might preview it like this. But these don't tell you which Android version, so let's scroll up here and you will see the Android versions right here on the right. The minimum version, which means if you're above it, you gotta try it. I recommend that you pick the highest version you can find. Right here we got Android 16 Plus. If you go to About Phone and in software information it says Android 16, that means you can run this. If you're below that number, you cannot run this application. It will directly not work. There's no probability it will work. Try out Android 16 Plus if you have a 16 Plus device. Right here we have Android 12 Plus, which means if you're above Android 12. I recommend you pick the highest version and try it out for yourself. Right here we also have CPU architectures, but don't worry. Just click on it and we'll go to this side. There's only one available for this one. So let's try out this one. Let's click on it and then scroll down here. You will see download APK. The same as before, click on download and then open it in your Google Chrome. Right here, if it asks for permissions again, just enable it so you can install this APK. If it doesn't work, let's go and proceed. Just go back. You can easily click here on Samsung Notes and will take you back. And here all variants will show you each variant with the Android version. Let's try the top one again. Let's go one below maybe, like 8 Plus. We got 8 Plus. We also have 10 Plus. Let's click on 10 Plus right here and we'll show one again. But if you go back, let's say we have 8 Plus right here, it will show a lot more versions you can try out to ensure it will work on your device. We have multiple pages here. I recommend that you start at the top to make sure that one of these will work. One of them will work, and it's probably 1 in 5. If you have tried out 5, probably the 5th one will work for you. If this still doesn't work, I recommend, highly recommend, that you try Samsung Notes on Windows. I hope you have a Windows device because it has been officially supported right now. You can get it in the Microsoft Store very easily. First install Samsung account, then go and log in to your credentials, and then install Samsung Notes also, and it will automatically enable sync. There is a probability with the Android version that there is no sync capability. There's also no way to import notes, which means you're limited. This is because Samsung doesn't officially support your device. And if we want it, we should actually start a poll so we can tell Samsung we need Samsung Notes on other Android devices. The only thing I want to do is to ensure you can use the application, but I can't promise you that everything will work. Comment down below if you can't figure it out. I always comment on your comments and I never miss out on one. Please make sure to subscribe. You will be doing us a big favor. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.